Goldman Sachs just dropped a bombshell report. 300 million jobs globally will vanish by 2028. This is not speculation. This is their data. OpenAI's o1 model solved 92% of coding tasks in November 2024. That's not a glitch. That's an extinction event for junior developers. IBM already replaced 7,800 workers with AI automation last year. Their CEO confirmed it on earnings calls. No apology, no hesitation. McKinsey research shows 44% of administrative roles face elimination within 36 months. Your email job is vulnerable right now. Legal research positions are already disappearing. Contract analysis took 80 hours. Now it takes 8 minutes with Claude. Your salary protects nothing. Your college degree protects nothing. Your experience protects nothing. Goldman projects white-collar workers will see 18% wage compression by 27. That's real money leaving real families. But here's the fork in the road. 40% of affected workers will transition into AI management roles. They'll oversee automation systems. They'll earn more. They'll sleep better. You can be that person, or you can be replaced. The difference is what you learn in the next 90 days. Your move starts now. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.